Sounds of Silence.
I inherited what? Come on, say something. It's a castle. I knew I had relatives in Sweden, but I didn't even know this, Annie Holst.
When Peter Mitchell became the owner of a European estate, he thought Sarah and her 12-year-old son would love it. But someone from the other side was calling for the young boy.
Is this your friend, Bill?
On the other side of the old bridge, restless souls of orphans were crying for his help.
My son has horrible nightmares. He has some fantasy friend named Bill. Who the hell's Bill?
Dennis has been listening to Thomas's stories.
But Dennis knew the orphans were real because he could hear them.
Dennis is deaf.
Through the sounds of silence.
Yes, I know! Do you think I feel good about it? Do you think I did it on purpose?
But evil minds wished the sounds of silence not to be heard. Cobra Productions brings you the story of a boy who makes friends with children from the other side of the grave. Starring Peter Nelson, Kristen Jensen, Troy Donahue, and Dennis Castillo. Sounds of Silence. Pray it's not calling for you.